taking in the view for a moment before I start my day. Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday here. How are you gems doing? I'm just about to have my breakfast and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have for my breakfast and all of that. And what are you guys up to today? What do you do on Sundays? I would love to hear in the comment section below. What is your Sunday routine? And showing the breakfast. Let's go.
I love credit cards.
And as you see, it's gone. Okay. Gone.
Oh man.
Fire. Fire.
Can I eat it now? Stop dancing over it.
Fire. Pancakes, strawberries. I'm about to pour the syrup on it, and that is the breakfast. Nobody's rowing.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. You have a great view for your job.
It is. We always have something out here. There's either dolphins out here in the day. The first time we saw
I've never seen a manatee.
Even the birds have to eat. So this is curry chicken with rice and sweet and sour chicken. A really delicious meal. I really did enjoy my food at Bangkok. Shout out to Bangkok. And now we're going to head to listen to the sounds of the ocean after being so full. Stay tuned. I am strong. I am confident. I am living with abundance. I will make choices to live healthier every day. I can do whatever I want to be. I am unstoppable. I am strong.